Hello everyone, this is BSc first year class and today we are going to discuss method of integration by substitution. Method of integration by substitution. Now let if I is equal to integration of f of x dx is a given function. Now put or replace x is equal to phi of t. Now dx by dt is what? Dx by dt is equal to phi dash at t. Now if we consider v is equal to f of x dx, then dv by dx is equal to f of x, because we know that integration and derivative are opposite processes, and if we differentiate the integration of f of x, then integration sign will be cancelled, so dv by dx is equal to f of x. Now note that v is a function of x and x is a function of t. Therefore we can write dv by dt is equal to dv by dx into dx by dt. So dv by dx is what? F of x, and dx by dt is what? Phi dash at t, and it is equal to dv by dt. Now if we integrate this function with respect to t, then v is equal to integration of f of x into phi dash at t dt. So it is equal to, so x is what? Phi of t, so f of phi of t into phi dash at t dt. So this is the method of integration by substitution. Write down one note. So I is equal to integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx, which is equal to log of f of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. आता इथं लक्ष द्या, न्यूमरेटरला काय आहे f dash of x, डिनॉमिनेटरला काय आहे f of x. आता एखाद्या फंक्शन जे डिनॉमिनेटरला आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जर न्यूमरेटरला असेल तर त्या फंक्शनचं इंटिग्रेशन डायरेक्ट काय असतं? log of f of x plus c. Now write down the proof. Put t is equal to f of x, then if we differentiate with respect to t, then 1 equal to f dash of x, if we differentiate this function with respect to x, then dt by dx is equal to f dash of x. So this implies dx by dt, so just reciprocal of this function f dash of x. Now f dash of x, so this is t, so dx by dt into dt, dx can be written as dx by dt into dt, but dx by dt is what? 1 by f dash of x, so it is equal to f dash of x divided by t into 1 by f dash of x into dt. So f dash get cancelled, and we know that the integration of 1 by t is log t plus c, where c is the constant of integration, but t is what? T is f of x. So integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Now you can consider some examples. Example first, integration of x square divided by 1 plus x cube dx, which is equal to log of 1 plus x cube plus c. Because know that if we put t is equal to 1 plus x cube, then dt by dx is equal to what? 3x square, and this implies dx by dt is equal to what? 1 by 3x square. If we put t is equal to 1 plus x cube, then 3x square divided by t into dx by dt into dt. So it is equal to 3x square divided by t into 1 by 3x square into dt. And we know that the integration of 1 by t is what? Log t plus c, where c is the constant of integration, but t was 1 plus x cube plus c. Therefore, the integration of this function is log of 1 plus x cube plus c. Or directly we can say that the derivative of 1 plus x cube is what? 3x square, and which is present in the numerator. Therefore, the integration of this function is log of 1 plus x cube plus c. Now, example second. Integration of e raised to x plus 1 plus e raised to x dx is equal to what? Log of e raised to x plus c. Because if we put t is equal to 1 plus e raised to x, so the derivative of this function is e raised to x. Therefore, according to the note that we have discussed, the integration of this function is log of 1 plus e raised to x plus c. Now, example 3. 1 divided by x into log x dx. Now here note that this can be written as 1 by x divided by log x dx. Now the derivative of log x is what? 1 by x, and which is present in the numerator. Therefore, the note that we have discussed, the integration of this function is log of log x plus c. Now consider example 4. Integration of (1 divided by 1 plus x dx) is what? Log of 1 plus x plus c, because the derivative of 1 plus x is what? 1, and which is present in the numerator. Therefore, the integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x dx is log of 1 plus x plus c. Now today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.